2.
Uh-oh. Out to your ball. Nice. That's a 2, right?
Yeah. Don't like this. You gotta aim over here, and it'll curve up. Supposedly. It's alright, you've gotten par all this time while you've been gone, so. I don't know what I'm at.
4? I think 4.
Don't hit it straight. You gotta hit it here.
Aim my face. She didn't want to hurt you, Laura.